Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to your TikTok bio. So if you want to get a wider audience, you can add link to your other social media platforms on your TikTok bio. And through this video, I'm going to tell you the step-by-step guide. So, what you need to do first is launch the TikTok applications on your phone. Once you open the TikTok application, you can just go straight to your profile by clicking on this profile button at the bottom right corner. Okay, once your profile is open, now you can see there will be this edit profile option. So if you want to add a link to your TikTok bio, just tap on the edit profile, and in here under the about you section, you'll find the links option. So if you want to add link, you can just tap on add in here, and there are 4 options of link that you can add to your TikTok bio. The first one is Lemonade, and there's also Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So you can just choose which links that you want to add. You can also add more than one. If you want to add 4 of this, you can just do so by linking the profile of Instagram, let's say, to the TikTok. So what you need to do is here click on add. For example, I'm going to just add, let's try to add Instagram. You can click on add in here. So once you click on that, you'll be asked to log in or link your Instagram with the TikTok. You can see you can just log in here using your account, and then tap on login and just wait until the link is successfully added into your TikTok bio. Okay, let's just wait. Apparently there's some error. Let's try another link. Let's add YouTube. So in here, if you want to add YouTube account, you can just choose the email address that you use to on your YouTube account. Okay, you can just tap on continue to let TikTok has access to your YouTube, and just like that, the link will be added. So when you go back and see your TikTok bio here, you'll see your YouTube link. So others can just click it and it will link them to your YouTube channel. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.